Welcome to Jntu Technologies. In this present video, we are going to learn how to access a remote desktop using Raspberry Pi and display the desktop of our network computer on this Raspberry Pi remote screen. So this is the laboratory manual. First of all, you need to install the VNC server software on the computer for which you want to have the remote access. So I have one desktop computer here and one Raspberry Pi here. You can see this is Raspberry Pi and this is a Windows 10 based system. So both of them are running on the same Wi-Fi network. So I want to access this particular desktop where the image of this laboratory manual is shown using this Raspberry Pi. For that, first of all, I need to install VNC server on this particular computer. So go to Google and type VNC server. There you can download the VNC server software, and I have already done it. And once if you install that, you are going to see VNC, real VNC, PQR, just a minute. Yeah, real VNC is the one, and here I have VNC server. Let me click on this. So it will open a window. First it asks me for permission. I gave yes. So this is my VNC connectivity. You can clearly see it is connected to 192.168.0.105. I mean, this is the IP address of this particular system, and also you can confirm that this is connected to a Wi-Fi network where the SSID is VVVS, and my Raspberry Pi is also connected to the same network. Let me show you that. So this Raspberry Pi is also on the same Wi-Fi network. You can see it is connected to the same VVVS. So both of them should be on the same network. Both of them can even be on the same Ethernet, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Okay, so please remember that this is the server which is running 192.168.0.105. Now come back to the Raspberry Pi. After this, as I have described in the manual, how to install this particular what you say VNC server, etc. First of all, you open the terminal, and this is the process to install a VNC server on the desktop, I mean the computer. After successful installation, you will get this 192.168.0.105. Whatever I have shown here, the process is described in screenshots on the laboratory manual, which is provided in the description. Now come back to this Raspberry Pi. So here at the bottom you will find RVNC. Just click on this. Remember, this is VNC server, not VNC viewer. So you need to go here and click on the real VNC viewer. It will take you to a new web page. When you click this, it will take to a new web page which is loaded here. This is the real VNC viewer page, and here you need to select the Raspberry Pi option. So click the Raspberry Pi. It will open a Debian package, not exe. Exe is for Windows. When you click on this Raspberry Pi, it will automatically change to Debian ARM HF. Now you can download it. Once if you download it, you will get the Debian package. I have already downloaded it, and I have shown in the screenshots of the laboratory manual that you will get a Debian package, and you need to click on the Debian package. Just a minute. So as I have shown in the manual, just you download this Debian package. Yes, you will get the Debian package, and you just double click on it, and it might ask you for authentication password. Actually, my Raspberry Pi I am running on, I mean the kit I am providing you is running on username Pi, and the password will be Raspberry. Just you have to give that username and password Pi and Raspberry, and click on OK. So this will take you to the next page. This Debian package will automatically get installed, and after some time, after successful installation, you will get this real VNC connector, right? But how can you open it now? Well, just go to start button, that is Raspberry Pi. Now this server is not required for me, just I can close this window. I'll go to start button, and here I'll go to internet. In the internet tab, I have real VNC viewer. This is not server, this is viewer. When I click on this, it will open me the window. Now I need to know what is the server to which I am trying to ping. Well, already I know the address, which is 192.168.0 and 105. I will type it here. 192, already it is there, 168.0.105. So when I ping on this, it will ask me for a password. Actually, this is the password that I have set in my server. In this particular server, while installing itself, I have set a password. So same password I have to give for login. So I am typing in the password. So after this, I'll click on OK, and it is taking me to the desktop. You please see this. Now I am able to access my Windows desktop. You can see this 192.168.0.105, which is shown over here. And I can even open the programs from the Raspberry Pi. I can click on the start menu. See, it is now open. You can see here, it is also now open. And similarly, I can just control the desktop. I can open a file. Let us say here I am using a Word file. So when I click on this, it is going to open the Word. So both desktop are showing the same thing. So this is a quotation form, right? So I have opened both, and similarly I am closing it here. Automatically it gets closed. So in this way we are successfully accessing the desktop of a network computer from the Raspberry Pi screen. Thank you.